I was born in Chicago, raised my first 18, 19 years in Chicago, came to the Bay Area for a short while, went to LA, never lived in the country, but wherever I lived, I was gravitated to nature. So I think it was just who I am, you know, and even in Chicago as a little girl, I knew where all the empty lots were. You know, so you go play in the empty lots, and so I think it was just inevitable, you know, that I end up looking to nature and protecting it where I could. In the 1970s and 1980s, children knew what a robin is. Today they don't. That worries me. And that's a change that's happened rapidly. You know, I'm not even sure if I said it's the size of a swallow, that they would know what that is. So there's a disconnect between the very element that maintains humanity, which is nature. Nature is rules all. And if we disconnect with it, I think we're going to be in trouble. So that worries me. So if I can keep nature in Alameda a little bit longer in my community, you know, I'll feel good about it.